Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have this wireless keyboard and mouse, and I'm going to show you this. I did already use it because I had an emergency and I needed a keyboard and mouse, and this thing worked amazing. So you got I don't know why it's not opening. I guess I opened it on this side. Okay, so here, I did open it, I swear. Okay, so this is it here. So check this out. It's got all your different buttons on it. It's even got all the different buttons to control the music. And I think when I pushed this button here, it wanted to bring up like my Apple Music, and then these here were the play and pause buttons, and did all of that stuff. Really great. The Windows button didn't do anything for me. I'm on a MacBook Pro. I don't know if there's a way to maybe configure that to do something. I'll have to read into it a little bit more to figure that out. But I'll show you guys the back here. It connects up with this single battery of a AA battery is what I put in there, and the mouse is going to be the same way, and I'll show you that here in a second. And so this is the wireless keyboard, and it has an on-off button here. So like if I just put it on, it's not going to do anything until I put on the mouse. So it also comes with some instructions here. So these are the instructions here, the user manual. You can see there's the front and the back. If you need that, I guess pause it and zoom in. Maybe here it'll tell me how to remap some of these keys. Oh, it's telling you what some of those keys are here with the function buttons there. So I have to play with that a little bit. And here is the mouse. It's a nice kind of ergonomic mouse. You can see it really fits good on there. It's got the scrolly thing going on it. And then a button here, buttons on the sides. It's got all the buttons, more buttons than you need. I use a Mac, so I'm only used to, pushing the button and holding it down. But then here you can open it up, and you see it takes a single AA battery. And inside of here is the USB little nugget thing. And also back on here is the on-off button to turn it on-off. So it's on now. Not connected to anything at the moment, but then you take the little remote, which is the tiniest little thing here, and I plug it into my hub right here. So I can plug it into any of my USB ports. My hub is active on anything, and then it pops up and it wants to configure a keyboard. Actually, it's not going to because I already did it before, but now I am connected up to it, and if I move my mouse around, it moves it, and it's super smooth, and it really has a great job. Oops, I'm starting my video. But I can type really good. It has really good typing in it. It's a quiet type, so you don't hear. It's not that really loud clicking stuff, but it's super sensitive that it does, gets all the keys correctly. It's got all these different buttons here. I don't think this one did anything for me either, print screen. I'm going to guess that's probably another Windows button, but most of the other buttons and stuff I was able to get to work correctly on my Mac instantly. And then it comes with the mouse and the keyboard and the little nugget here to plug in to make it go. And you're good to go. So you could probably plug this into anything. I could probably even plug this into like my Fire Stick that has an extra I have a little adapter that makes it USB. I could probably plug it into that, and I could just type on my Fire Stick, which I use sometimes for a web browser kind of thing. So great. This would be great for like a conference room or anything really. So super cool, super nice, and really nice and durable. It's got the little wrist rest here as you're using it, and it's even got a place here you can put your phone sideways and watch a little movie or something as you're using your keyboard. So super awesome. Thumbs up from me.